Today we will be making a save system with a lot of save files. So let's go to the video. First we have to have our saver.gd that looks like this, and we will modify it a little. First we will add a new variable for the save file number. It is a int and we will put it equals to 1. Then we change the function's names and some values named, since we don't want these values anymore. Then here on resource saver.save, I do self save path plus str save file number plus dot crease. Also, if you want to know why this code worked before, look at the video on the card. Anyways, we go to our scene, we go to node signal and connect some signals, the pressed, for each button we have, so we can apply the correct logic to it. This is kind of boring, but just handle it, please. After that we go to the script and we will start putting the correct logic. First we create a new variable for our saver, where we will call our saver.new. If you didn't understand why the saver worked, please look at the video I posted on the card before, and then we will do saver.save file number equals 1, and another 2 equals 2, and another one 2 equals 3. Then we will do saver.save, saver.loads, and here we will do label.text equals saver.value. And on the last button we will do label.text equals randy, and as you can see, randy generates a random number. I will add the range to choose a range, and this should work now. Let's test it. Okay, we got an error. Okay, this says that this needs to be a string. So let's do this. As you can see, it's generating a random number. Oh, another error. We will put this as string as well. So we load. Yeah, everything is here. Now we generate and save on 1. This should be 6. Why it's 0? Let me see the logic. Saver dot value equals our label.text. I think this should fix our bug, maybe. Yeah, probably. Yeah, probably. So let's just, well, no, it's probably that saver.value equals label.text, and this probably will fix it. We generate a random number, we save it, let me generate another and save it. I should remove the string from here. Load key. Yeah. Now as you can see, it's work. Okay, here is null because I didn't save it before. But then we save, and it's 15, 2, 1, load 1. As you can see, everything is working. If you want to see how I made a game in a month, check this video.